Hey guys, I'm over here at Busch Gardens today to check out construction on Iron Gwazi. And as you can see here through the fence, there's actually a huge sign that's ready to be lifted onto the front of the station. We'll check back later to see if that's up. And other than that, the ride looks good. Some preliminary testing has already started, which I've never seen before, so that's really good news. They're really trying to get this ride open as soon as possible, it seems. There's a cool Arctic camo effect in the sign there. Looks really good. The first air hill outer bank turn. And then this section here is the last few turns and last few hills of the ride.
We can't sit in any pot. I know, it's really good.
Austin, did you want to do an interview? I don't think I do.
What's happening here, which we're all excited for.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to say until we open, because you don't really know what the exact ride experience is going to be. We can't sit in any pot. I know, it's really good.
And that is it for today. It looks like they just have a little bit at the end of the ride to complete and also the bottom of that first drop. Cheetah hunt work still continues. This ride reopens on the 15th.